Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. In my last video, we were watching how the price line was getting bounced by the support of a descending triangle. Right now, it has bounced well and reached the resistance of this descending triangle on the daily time frame. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to break it out or we can be reversed back from here. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you the weekly time frame chart. And here we have been watching that the price line was moving in this rising wedge pattern, and we were having bounces by the support very well, and we had stable rejections as well. And after this last rejection here in the month of November, the price line dropped and broke down the support of this rising wedge. And I told you that we have a very, very nice support of the 100 simple moving average. And you can see after breaking out here, the price line broke it out in November 2020. This is for the first time price line is testing this support of 100 simple moving average. And you can see that we are also forming a kind of double bottom at this support as well, because first we bounced here, and now if we will have another bounce like we are having a bounce right now, it can form a double bottom. And after this double bottom, there will be a really very high probability that the price line will be re-entered in this wedge. Right now, the previous support of the wedge will work as a resistance, and it is approximately at 35 to 36 cents. Now, if we take a look at the oscillator, then stochastic oscillator on this weekly time frame chart is oversold, and it is also forming a double bottom. You can see it was entered here in the oversold, moved up again, and now again entering the oversold, and the blue line is crossing up the orange line. That is the buying signal by the stochastic oscillator. Now, if we move to the daily live time frame chart, then here this was a triangle that we were just discussing about. And here we can see that the price line had so many rejections. And right now, again, we are likely to be rejected. But we are also having a very nice support of the EMA 21 on the daily time frame. Even though we had previously the EMA 21 supports when we had this bounce and we had another move to the upside, we again broke it out. And again, we have broken out the EMA 21 resistance once more. But if we watch the EMA 10, this blue line with the combination of EMA 21, then it is very close to EMA 21 once again. If EMA 10 will cross up this EMA 21, that will be another buying signal, because whenever the smaller time frame moving average crosses up the bigger time frame moving average, that produces a buying signal, and that also produces a move to the upside. And the combination of EMA 10 with EMA 21 on the daily time frame for this purpose is very nice. So if this blue line will cross this red line, the EMA 21, that will be a very, very nice support for the price line, and it can break out this resistance of the triangle. And previously we can see here, it went very close to the EMA 21. And here we were almost going to form this buying signal, golden cross, but could not form this buying signal, and it dropped again. Previously, we had this buying signal here. You can see that this EMA 10 crossed up the EMA 21. We had a very, very nice rally. In such situation, we need again. Now, if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, it has also found a very long and strong resistance, a downtrend line resistance. You can see that it was rejected here on 16th of October. Again, rejected here on 9th of November, and here on 27th of December, and here on 3rd of January. And again, we are at this resistance. Therefore, in order to start a big move and to break out this triangle, the RSI also needs to break out this resistance as well. Now, if the price line breaks out this triangle, then our next target can be after the breakout. If I place this trend line here at the breakout point, that will be approximately at 35 cents. And we need a move at least up to 35 to 36 cents to break this resistance of the previous support of the wedge that is now working as a resistance. And in case of break it out, the price line can again reach at the resistance of this wedge, and it can make another attempt to break it out for a big move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.